Hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel and thanks for tuning in. Today we're taking a road trip to my friend and fellow YouTuber RJ Davenport to take a look at his shop. His channel likes to focus on DIY tips to get your car back on the road. Plus, he's got a huge collection of projects in all various stages of completion. So this should be a blast. Let's hop in the vet and see what happens. Hey YouTube, we just showed up to RJ Davenport's awesome collection of cars. RJ, tell us a little bit about your channel.
Alright, so what I like to do is how-to videos on the various vehicles I work on and also the different types of projects I work on. So I work on some kind of eccentric vehicles, lots of projects that, you know, I would say that not a whole lot of people have done, but would like to do or like to see.
Very cool, very cool. So we're gonna get a tour around his shop. We're gonna get to see some of his projects that he's got going on. He's a lot like me. He loves Nissan Z cars, especially the Z32. So this should be a lot of fun. Stick around, let's go check it out. $101, 102, 103. Oh, I didn't see you there. Hey RJ.
What's up, Kurt?
Okay, so we've got your first project here. Let me get out of the way so we can see this beautiful baby blue patina. So tell us what we got here, RJ.
Alright, so this is a 1966 Chevrolet C60. It's actually parts for a bigger project that I'm working on. The frame on it is from an 88 U-Haul truck, which is also parts for another vehicle I'm working on, not the same vehicle.
So go ahead and tell us your plans about your project for this and your project for that.
Okay, so this is actually gonna be married to the 64 Chevy truck, and they're gonna be put together as a crew cab. And then I'm gonna take that whole cab and chassis and put it on the chassis for my ambulance, which has a 5.9 Cummins and airbag suspension, Allison transmission, the whole 9 yards.
So really, in layman's terms, he's gonna Frankenstein that to that, and he bought an ambulance, which we haven't had a chance to show you yet, and he's gonna marry that to the chassis frame, and really you're gonna turn three vehicles into one.
Yes.
Now, is this because you want a tow truck, you want a crew cab because they are shooting up in value right now, or is it just for the hell of it?
So this is the truck that I want to be able to do everything with. So that's why I kind of need to be a crew cab, so I have a back seat and be able to carry more people.
For your tools.
Yep, and then I need to tow all my vehicles and projects with.
Right. Very awesome idea. I like it. Thumbs up. Hey, thanks for sticking around. Remember, if you like the content of this channel, go ahead and hit sub. It's free. It doesn't cost you anything. And remember, it helps me and RJ make more kick-ass videos just like this. So we have a 74 Beetle that RJ has on his property. Beetles, Volkswagens have always been special to my heart. I love rear engine cars. They're super, super cool. And their collectability is shooting up in value, wouldn't you say?
Yes, for sure.
Okay, so tell us a little bit about what you got here.
All right, So this Volkswagen, it actually runs and drives the way it is. So I drug it down here from Washington, and the customer that wants me to put a Subaru engine in it. So we're gonna put a 2.5 or 2.0 liter single overhead cam engine in this Bug so she can actually drive it at the speed limit. So I'm on the search for a Subaru like 2002 to 2012, I think is what I need.
Okay, so help me out here. Do we have extended fender flares, or are these stock?
As far as I know, it's stock.
Now, one of the coolest things I wanted to show you about this Beetle was the awesome interior. Let's go check it out. So I love this interior. You can see the white and black. This is vinyl that's carried over from the outside. So somebody really cared about this car, whether it's from the outside aesthetics. We've got a white steering wheel here, and I'm just really impressed with the interior. And I gotta tell you, RJ, this girl is worth fixing up.
Yeah.
So definitely. The big engine plan is a single overhead cam 2.5 Subaru engine that's really gonna get this car rocketing. And I can't wait to see when it's all finished. Wow, that Beetle is awesome.
Oh.
Wait, what is this?
Check this out. All right, so this goes in that 240 project that we have.
Okay.
You want to guess what it is?
So it's going in the 240, so I'm gonna assume it's not a 2JZ.
Definitely not.
Okay, I'm assuming by the size of what you got covered, it's not a small block 350.
Definitely not.
Okay, so it's gonna stay true to the 240, right?
It's gonna say it's true to Nissan.
Okay, true to Nissan. All right, let's do the big unveil.